Yesterday I was saying something to the effect of, I didn't want to be trying to file those tabs off of the side of the ladder because I was afraid I may be bending the ladder. You know, I feel kind of silly because I completely forgot about my photo etch pliers. Yeah, let's see if we can't make use of these today. Okay, now, just closest to the lens, opposite the tweezers, there's a little tab. And my goal is to try and get the edge of the ladder right along the edge of the plier. So when I close this down, only the tab will be sticking out. And that's going to be kind of tricky. Very, very gently now. I still sort of feel it there. Don't want to go too far down or I'm going to take the sharp edge off my plier and that won't be any good. I think I'm going to quit while I'm ahead. Now this other one I don't think was quite so bad. Ooh, my pliers are coming loose here. I think I'm going to have to readjust. Well, I do believe I'm going to leave well enough alone here. You know, it's at the point where I can't even see it when I'm looking real close. So, yeah, once again, I'm going to quit while the quitting's good.